I'm going to show you how you can look at a chart to see when certain machines or workstations are available to run jobs on in standard time. I'm looking at the availability chart right now. You can see that I am filtering by the next 21 days for a certain machine. This availability chart shows certain days with hours available and other days with no availability. As I click on the various machines over on the left-hand side to filter, you can see that the chart changes and I can see availability on these various machines. Let's do a little bit of review. There were some other videos where we showed project task scheduling based on skill. We had shown these jobs in a Gantt chart timeline, the tasks involved in those jobs, and those tasks were then assigned to certain machines or workstations. So those machines became allocated or utilized, and you saw the overutilization and underutilization. These machines shown here all have a resource type of machine, and they all have a skill. The project tasks also have a skill, and so when Standard Time assigns jobs to the next available slot or moves it to the front by skill, those skills which are assigned to those workstations or machines allocate or utilize those machines. Now when you want to find out if you can run another job, you would use the availability chart. And we find that in the Home All Views down on this row, and then you can go over to the left-hand side and open up the user hierarchy. In this case, I have a certain group of machines that are using the resource type of machine. So these are not human resources, these are machine types. So these are the ones that the tasks are assigned to, and as I click on each one of these, you can look at the bars and determine whether they have availability. So as we're looking through these, you see the bars changing. The green bars mean that they have availability for that day. The yellow bars mean that there is partial availability, and then the blank or empty bars where you see zeros mean that there is no availability. Again, it's all going to be based on the jobs that you're scheduling on those machines, the tasks that are assigned to those machines by skill, and the skills that are assigned then to the machines. Again, you would start by going to Home All Views, going down to Availability, and then opening up the Users section on the left-hand side.